Wait a minute. Wait a minute now. I know you about to push that button. I know you about to pull that trigger. But you might want to double think that decision before you drop that extra $75 to $100 to get you a pair of these right now. Because being patient is gonna save you a little bit in the long run. Let's talk about it. YouTube fam. The madness is over for now. It's over for now, man. What's good? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, man, here to chop it up with you guys about just today and patience, man. Patience is key, y'all, man. Today, May 22nd, we officially got the two biggest releases on one day. I feel that one could drop, man. We did get the Nike Futura SBs, which dropped today, alongside the Balvin Jordan 3 Rios. And I must say, man, y'all comment down below, let me know. It was a smooth process. I got in smooth, and I took a smooth L, but that's okay, because I got something on the way. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to the sauce. You know, I got in on some raffles. I was where I needed to be. So, you know, we making it happen. But on the note of the sneakers app, y'all, I was surprised. I told you guys I would be shocked if nothing glitched or anything like that. Like I said, on my end, I can't speak for everyone. It was smooth sailing, man. Comment down below. Let me know how your experience was. I know you might be salty if you took an L, but don't be salty. It's okay. It's plenty more, you know what I'm saying, shoes to come out there for us to get dubs on, and of course more L's on, you know what I'm saying? But if you are someone who has your eyes locked in on this shoe and you like, bro, I got to have them, do not have instant L buyers. It's not remorse. Well, yeah, I can't call it remorse, because you're gonna have remorse once you see what happens with this shoe, man. But before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, truly appreciate you pulling up, man. Make sure y'all double check to make sure that YouTube is not pulling you out the crowd and separating you from the fam. What I mean by that is unsubscribing you, man. I did see a couple comments of people telling me that YouTube has unsubscribed them just out the blue from the channel. Just double check real quick, y'all. It takes a second. Make sure that you are still subscribed, as well as new members. Make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button. Join the family, man. Over here, your boy Jay is gonna show you all the early heat. I'm gonna show you these guys on feet. I'm gonna show you on style up, all that stuff over here, man. So make sure y'all tap in. We do vlogs. We do it all, man. So this is the one-stop shop, and you know, everything over here is A1. So with that out the way, man, shout out to all the new members. Big shout out to the OGs. I do have an update for you guys, real quick update. Whew. Appreciate you. Bang, y'all. The Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Canary Yellows, y'all. Of course, this one had a unofficial set release date of May 25th, which is supposed to be this Saturday, y'all. That, I believe, has changed, man. So I heard a little birdie in the air saying that these are now supposed to be releasing allegedly on Tuesday, y'all. So this upcoming Tuesday, which is May 28th, the day after Memorial Day. So we should be seeing these pop up via the sneakers app. From what I know, they're already loaded on there. So they're loaded, but they did not show a picture yet, man. So what I'm hearing, they're going to show that these will be releasing on the 28th. So Tuesday the 28th, these will be popping up, should be popping up on the sneakers app. And at the point of me making this video, I think right now there's a couple places who has raffles open for these, man. So hey, good luck, man. Check out the places. If you guys are in secret sauce, you might already got the drop on it, but you know, for those of you who don't, you might want to tap in and see where you can get some raffles in, so you can secure a pair of these if you want them for retail. So that's a quick update on the Jordan 1 Canary Yellows. Outside of Canary Yellows, y'all, we must talk about Balvins. Bang! So yes, sir, here before your eyes, I have, of course, the J Balvin in the Sunset colorway. Clean, man, clean. And I do have the most recent J Balvin in the Rio colorway, man. A lot of people are taking the black pair over, of course, the Sunset pair, man. I think they are both equally fire, man. If I had to go, you know what I'm saying, pick one, I'm going back and forth. I might pick this one for Monday. I might pick this one for Tuesday. They are just both equally fire, in my opinion. Definitely two of J Balvin's best releases. I'm not even gonna argue it. This is J Balvin's best releases, the Jordan 3s. But outside of that, y'all, I do want to talk to you guys about the main attraction, the shoe that released today, the J Balvin Rios, man. So let me set these down and focus on these, man. The Rios, man, that charcoal black, like, bro, these are... You did your thing, man. Jordan Brand, J Balvin, whoever, you did your thing with these, okay? But on the note of these, man, with these just releasing today, y'all, I did look over some, you know what I'm saying, prices on them, because I did double up on these, man. This is a shoe that I need two of these. Just like I have two of the Sunsets, I'm just gonna ice one of these. I just like them, you know, they fire like that, you know what I'm saying? And like I told you, I might got one on the way. But anyways, I was looking at resale prices on this shoe, and I seen, you know, prices are fairly close to that of the Sunset colorway, and I'm like, just me looking at how sneakers have been doing and just the history of sneakers. Whenever we do have a OG of a shoe, then we do have a follow-up colorway. For example, we could bring in the Kobe Grinches, of course. Let's talk about them. Bang! Yes, sir. So Kobe Grinches, all right? So when you do have a shoe that comes out first to start the trend, of course, this was the first of its kind. When you think about Grinches, of course, this was the first Grinch in the Kobe line, of course, to have that name. Then we followed up with a part two, you want to call it, you know, the reverse Grinch. Who knows? We might have a alternate Grinch. I don't know what they might think of, or a double Grinch. Y'all know what I mean, you know what I'm saying? But point of what I'm saying is the OG pair is always, I mean, I don't know any shoe, not to say that there isn't one that's just off the top of my head. I'm not thinking about any shoe that the OG colorway is going for less than the alternate or reverse secondary colorway. So thank you, Kobe's, for being here. Let's get back to the main attraction. Bang! We can use that same theory because it hasn't failed us yet. You know, this is me just doing my math is mathing. You feel me? Hey, hit the thumbs up, comment down below if the math is mathing, because your boy Jay, mathematical Jay, is in the building today. But anyways, y'all, like I was saying, we can go back to any shoes. Of course, the Jordan 1 Unions, then we go to the different Jordan 4 Unions. Of course, the Jordan 4 Unions are going for the high, but it's not touching the first collab iteration, which was the Jordan 1 Union. So now that y'all got what I'm saying as far as the original piece being more than the secondary piece, let's talk numbers, y'all. So when it comes to the Sunset and Rio colorways, I'm a size 9, so we got to stick with a size 9 for right now. I see that the Sunset colorway is lowest ax $460. That is, of course, before your fees and such. And the Rio colorway, which just dropped, is lowest ax $413. I mean, yeah, we still using the same facts. This is going for a little bit more than this. The reason why I said at the beginning of this video, pump your brakes, wait, you know, $413 I would say is a decent price for the Rios right now, but I feel that there's plenty of room for these to go down an extra $50 to $75, y'all. Here is why. When it comes to the J Balvin Jordan 3 Rios that just recently released today, I mean, that's just the thing. They released today. With that being said, y'all, half the stock are not in people's hands, y'all. So think about it. If these are retailing right now for $413, reselling for $413 right now, lowest ax. Think about when we have people who get pairs in hands that their whole intention was just to get them and flip them. They want to get that extra buck, and not only that, they're itching because they might have spent their last $275 at the tax or whatever it was. They spent their last $200 and something on this pair just to flip. So they're waiting, you know, 4 days go by, 5 days go by. Dang, I got to get my money back. I need it. So what happens when they get that shoe in hand? They're going on StockX, and guess what they are doing? They're seeing the lowest ax at $413, and they're like, you know what? I want to sell mines right now. What is the highest bid? The highest bid is $391. Okay, 13. So let's do some math. 9, 400 plus 13. Where my math at? Is it 22? I think it's 22. So that's a $22 difference if my math is mathing. But I think it's a $22 difference. And they're like, hey, $22 isn't much. Let me ask $410. Let me ask $400 even. Let me ask $395 so I can just sell them quick and get my money back. So that's what happens with the market. It deflates once pairs get out because people have all sorts of different things going on. And like I said, with half the stock, I feel like not even being out as far as in hand. Because you got to think about raffle winners from online orders. Then we got to think about the sneakers app orders. And pretty much that's going to be it. But I feel like there's plenty of pairs to be going around as far as pairs that have to be shipped out. That's definitely gonna move the market of this shoe. And usually y'all, day one that a shoe releases, a lot of the times, most of the times, that is going to be the highest price day because you have what I call panic buyers. What's a panic buyer? A panic buyer is as soon as they get on that sneakers app or as soon as they get that email from wherever they put that raffle in and it says you did not win or didn't get them this time, they instantly go to StockX, panicking, thinking that, hey, I just took a L. So the mindset is there's not that many pairs out here. So let me hurry up and grab a pair right now before the prices shoot up.
Nope.
That's not the case, y'all, man. Take it from your boy Jay. I'm giving y'all this game lesson right now. So basically, you do not want to panic buy and buy the day of the release because you're gonna end up falling in that bucket of everyone else thinking like that, and all y'all gonna be doing is bidding over each other, just outbidding each other. The price is gonna keep going up. The more that it sells day one, the more the price is gonna go up. So sit back, just wait a week. Wait 4 or 5 days for the pairs that are online and such to get shared around, and then you jump back in and you just scoop it up for the Lowski. You know what I'm saying? Voila! Your boy Jay just gave you the game, man. But Jordan 3 Rios, man. Fire shoe, man. How did everyone do today, man? Y'all comment down below. Talk to me. I mean, like, bro, these are crazy, man. And speaking of crazy too, I got a crazy detail review on feet to these. I do not have no fit on, but follow your boy on the gram. I think I'm gonna throw these on tomorrow just with the fit that I'm rocking. Shout out to Outrank Brand, man. They are the sponsors of this video. They are the ones that sent your boy over the gear for it, man. Look, take a look at the back, y'all. This limited edition, woo! Rio J Balvin tee is available right now. I mean, I don't know if it's still available. You can check. My link is down below in the description. Jay the Sneaker Guy will save you some money off your purchase. But you can check if they're still available because they are in limited quantity. So if you picked up a pair of these or if you have any other shoes, you know what I'm saying, that you can rock with this, I would say grab it because this is one of those unique pieces that not everyone will have, so it'll separate you from the rest. Every time, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all, like almost every time, I'm gonna keep it a buck, almost every time I step out in an Outrank Brand piece, a lot of people are like, bro, where you got that tee from? That tee is fire, you know what I'm saying? They like it, you know what I'm saying? I get a lot of compliments on the tees, and I'm like, bruh, just like the socks, they be gone. They're discontinued. So it falls in that same category. Once they sell out, they are gone, y'all. So you might want to check out Outrank Brand ASAP and get a tee before they sell out because once they're gone and they go like spot on with the J Balvins, man. Like, what can I say? Y'all seen the front, y'all seen the back, bro. Hey, use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. I'm trying to get y'all fly, you know what I'm saying? But outside of that, man, the Balvins, y'all, like I said, double up is on the way. It was a shoe that I had to have. Comment down below. Do I need to hit y'all with, what is it? I think we're the second quarter into the month. I think it's time. I ain't even gonna ask y'all. I think it's time I hit y'all with one pair is not enough. I had to have two. If you guys are familiar with the channel, it's something I have been doing for a while. I've been showing you guys like all the pickups quarterly that I've been doubling up on, shoes that I feel like is double up worthy. And I got quite a few, y'all. Like we are in May, about to be in June, and I done doubled up quite a bit since my last video. So I think I'm gonna be bringing that to you guys soon. So stay tuned for that, man. Run this one up, y'all. Run this informative video up to 2.2K likes, man. Come on, man. I'm putting money in y'all pocket. I'm saving y'all some bread, as well as I'm giving y'all game on the best way, the only way to travel. Bang! Come on, man. The Sole Premise way, man. And you know I've been duffel bag crazy, y'all, man. This right here is Sole Premise's duffel bag. They have many styles, many different colors, all that you guys can choose from over on soulpremise.com. And I know we talking J Balvin's, right, man? Look what I got inside my duffel, man. Keep it packed down, y'all. It is one of my favorite items from Soul Premise, but it is not my only item from Soul Premise. They have several other things. They have backpacks. They have crossbody pouches, man. They got a lot over there, and they have every color to match whatever fit it is that you are rocking. They have the luxurious look. They have the sport look, man. Look, take advantage of Soul Premise's bags today. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout, or simply just scroll down below. There's a link down there, man. I seen those orders flying in, y'all. A couple of y'all have been jumping on and been getting hip to it. I don't know if y'all about to take a trip or what, but hey, man, y'all been going crazy on the bags, and I'm trying to let those who don't have one know, you know, how handy this bag is. And your boy Jay wasn't a fan of bags. You know, I just, you know, I went around and did my thing. But when I got my first daily commuter bag, y'all, it was just so handy for me, because of course I do carry shoes, I do carry other things, laptops, and it was a game changer for me, man. So that's why I've been rocking with them for so long. But you can experience that yourself, y'all. Like I said, the link is down below in the description, man. Get your dad that Father's Day gift, or get your boo. If you are watching, you a female, Father's Day coming up, your baby daddy, your brother, your uncle, your dad, hey, get them a Soul Premise bag. Trust me, they will be happy with that gift, and you won't have to break the bank in order to get it, man. But just had to put y'all on the SP game real quick. Let's talk back Balvins. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Balvins are back in hand again, y'all. But comment down below. Do I need to hit y'all with a comparison as far as a on feet with the Sunsets and a on feet with the Rio, so I can get y'all real thoughts on which is the better looking shoe? Like I said, I'm equally vested in both of them. I like both of them the same. Both are double ups for your boy Jay. But y'all comment down below, man. Let me know, man. And please, if you have both shoes, do not be walking around like this. Nope. Because that is a no-no. I tell y'all every video, I have 2 pairs of shoes that are from the same pretty much pack, or whatever you want to call it. Don't make it a trend, y'all. But fire, man, fire. You see what's going on with it. J Balvin's, his best collab on a Jordan 3 or any silhouette, period, in my opinion. Comment down below your favorite J Balvin shoe. But yeah, man, I gave y'all the game. Wait, please wait. Do not spend the money right now, because we all know, of course, the OGs is going to be going for more money, and as of right now, it's only like a $50 difference. I think there's definitely room for more of that price to go down, because it's either these are gonna go up or these are gonna go down, and I'm sticking with these are gonna go down, because we're just at a place in sneakers where not everyone is buying shoes, nothing is selling like that. So hey, if it's mathing, let me know. Thumbs it up. But your boy Jay is gone, man. I'll be back tomorrow. Got a movie coming for y'all, so stay tuned for that. Shop Outrank brand, man. Like I said, this tee is limited. I don't even know if it's still available at the end of this video, but y'all check. They got them. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. And outside of that, I am gone with the Balvins, man. It's been a Balvin-y day, you know what I'm saying? But hey, did y'all cop Futuras? Let me know what y'all did, how y'all did. But I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. Basketball time. Peace.